Full output, park light. Okay, yan po yung park light niyan. Sobrang lakas po niyan. Ano, yung output na park light pa lang. Then, try natin sir yung fog light. Fog light. At the fog light. Hindi niya, no? Layo. Fog light pa lang po yan. No? Pero lakas ng output. Ganda, oh. Then, try po natin yung low beam. Then, high beam. Off. Fog light lang may 1. Fog light and park light po yan. So, yan. Ganito po kadilim sinasampulan namin. So, low beam, high beam, auto beam,